Hi you guys, welcome back to my garden. So I'm going to try to go ahead and finish up the rest of my garden maintenance for today. Now it's supposed to start raining later on in the day, so I'm out here early in the morning trying to hurry up and get my tasks done that I need to get completed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have to go in and I'm going to run individual emitters to my shrubs. Next, I'm going to try to go ahead and get my fountain at least scrubbed up because I have a lot of tulips out here in this area, and what I'm noticing, it's kind of hard to maneuver in this area without accidentally stepping on a tulip. I'm going to go ahead and get started before the rain comes because it's supposed to be raining off and on today. So let's get to it. So I'm looking for some elbows, and I am looking for, I thought I had everything together. I have to make a quick run to Lowe's so that way I can finish doing everything. We're on our way to go to Lowe's, but when I came outside, I seen that our tarp to our front fountain is off. Now that I have the tarp all put away, we will go ahead and put the top of the fountain piece together, but right now it's really just not an issue. I did get the tubing supplies that I needed for my drip tubing, and so now I'm going to head home and then finish the rest of my chores. I needed some vinyl tees, some more couplers, and I thought I picked up some elbows. Oh yeah, this one is like a multi-pack because they have the elbows, a few elbows in there. But what I'll do is I'll go online and I'll get some more. See, these elbows, that's what you need if you want to go like off to the corner. Oh wow, it's getting ready to start storming. So I'm going to go ahead and try to get all of this stuff in the house real quick. I have 4 of these done. I'm going to go over to the 4 shrubs. I'm going to go ahead and tack these in. Each end I put the coupler. I came in with a barb tee. And then at the end, on each side, you'll have your 1 gallon per hour emitter at the end. I didn't measure to my distribution tubing. Distribution tubing goes around the back, behind all of the back of the shrubs. And so I'm just going to tap in, cut it to size, and then that way we can move quickly. let me show you guys how I have everything set up. So let's walk over here and look at this incredible hydrangea, and you'll be able to see how I have each individual hydrangea set up, and then how it'll look once I go in and put the emitters back in. 1 gallon hour emitter. I have a landscape staple here that leads back across to right here where it ties into the tubing, and this will be scooped back, and then that'll of course be tacked down once I get everything in position. This will get tacked down like this, and then everything is secure in there, and then the water will come up. I got the barb tee here, and then it goes on either side. That was easy, right? I will come back in and put some individual drip tubing around my plants that I add in this area. And guess what? It's raining again. So once it stops, I'm going to come back out. There is literally nothing that's going to stop me doing everything that I need to get checked off my list today. So in between it raining, I'm going to be out here and I'm going to be getting everything tackled. Go ahead, get my fountain scrubbed up, and we're going to start this girl. Let me grab my bucket. I cannot find my rubber stopper for my fountain. Quick, easy fix. I'm going to run to Home Depot, go get another stopper, and come back and get my fountain going. Measure the fountain up, see what size stopper I need, just in case they don't have a universal stopper that will fit my fountain. And then we're going to come back and get this fountain started. Hopefully it won't be too dark. My thought serves me well. I remember taking this bag from Freezer, and actually it has a little hole in the bag. Can you guys see that? Bag has a little hole in it, and that's how the stopper must have fell out. So she's sweet and she's adorable, but she can get into some trouble. But that's my baby though. Stuff out of Home Depot. I got a couple of different type of plugs since they did not have a universal plug, but I'm going to have to put a hole in this plug, and I'm also going to have to slice it in half in order to be able to plug up my fountain. I ended up getting 3 size plugs, and I think one of these will end up working. Call it a day with the video. By the time I get this plug prepped up, it's going to be way too dark for me to see what I'm doing, and I want to be able to get this fountain really cleaned up, nice, squeaky clean and everything. So I'm going to go ahead and call it a day. The weather was not letting up, and neither was I, so I just had to be, you know, persistent. And when the rain stopped, I came out. I got a few more things done. It's literally been like that all day. It's been a waiting game. I thank you guys for watching as I went in and tackled a lot of my chores, even though it was on a rainy day. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.